an atmosphere reminiscent of a 1960s Tiger Bay jazz club, once a melting pot for young musicians. Now in its third year, the Butetown Bay Jazz Heritage Festival aims to inspire a new generation of jazz musicians. Opening the event, the National Youth Jazz Wales Ensemble, who were joined by trumpeter Abraham Wilson. He'd been working with the group prior to the festival, helping to build their confidence.
I first start from the basics, the blues, in order to get young people into playing music. I mean, they have to feel comfortable in improvising, so it's really about feeling comfortable and confident in simple things like saying your name really loud or trying to get somebody's attention. When you're blowing into an instrument, trying to get the kind of tone that commands somebody to listen to. And then figuring out the notes that work in the blues. We could talk about that all night long, but it's something that once you understand, it's actually a lot of fun to play. And just making sure they understand that jazz improvisation is fun.
Two young musicians from the local community were hand-picked to play with the band at the festival, including Moses and Dam. For him, jazz evokes emotion.
Just a smile on my face, joy, and it just twists and turns, and you never know what's next, what's coming, and it's just a thrill.
The festival is still in full swing here, and the atmosphere is absolutely electric. It's been wonderful to see the audience engaging with the performers so well, and it really does seem as if the next generation of jazz musicians are embracing the spirit of Butetown jazz. Next to impress, the Cardiff-based Jackie Webb Community Choir.
Whenever you need me, I'll be there.
As part of the festival, the choir had held workshops for new members with the aim of developing their singing and dancing skills. For many of these children, this was their first performance in front of a large audience.
All day, I felt like crying because I'm so impressed with the talent we've got and the standard. And Jackie Webb has taught those children, the JW Jackie Webb, and those children, their voices and their singing and their movements were fantastic.
Patty believes that jazz has the power to inspire, and she now hopes to build on the success of the festival by extending the workshops and live performances to schools across Wales.
What does jazz do for young people? Makes them smile and makes them feel happy and makes them feel emotional and nice, and I think that's what the world needs.